Okay, October 2nd, 2023, 9:36 a.m. I'm out here sweating like a dog. But the raised bed area has been winterized. All the dead vegetation has been pulled, given to the goats. The blackberries have been thinned out of dead vegetation this weekend, and just chugging right along here. All the goats are down yonder in the barn. So this is next. I have 2 weekends to go before I have to have my surgery. And after I have that surgery, I am going to be off the farm grid for a few months. So I'm trying to get everything caught up. Next is to go out there, put some entrance reducers on those hives, get those few hive bodies that I've had scattered around, get them put up, and get the bees wrapped up for this season. So usually on Monday I'll make a video of my plans, my projects, and my accomplishments for the weekend. So this is the beginning of that video. I would really appreciate it if you'd hit the like button. I really would appreciate if you hit the subscribe button. I was 935. I drummed this morning. I noticed I dropped back to 934. That happens when people don't realize they're subscribed to my channel, and they go down there and push the subscribe, what they think is the subscribe button, but it actually says unsubscribed. So if you are going to push that the subscribe button, please read it first. Make sure it doesn't say subscribed, because if it says subscribed and you push it, you actually unsubscribe. With that being said, my daughter is coming in to visit for just a little bit today. She's in town, so I'm fixing to head out to get some a sandwich platter that my wife has ordered. I'm gonna have some time with Tiffany, and I'm gonna go get my mom, bring her over, and my mother-in-law is coming over. And then after all that, I'll be able to get down here or back out here in the back and wrap up tie up a few loose ends, and make some more videos. Woohoo! It's Monday, Video Monday. Like I said, do me a favor, hit that like button, and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Well, here we are. The end of another weekend. The weekend that me and my bride celebrated our 29th anniversary. Got to see my little girl today. She's a grown woman now, but she'll always be my little girl. She come by. So I didn't get as much accomplished today as I had in my head that I'd get done. Smoking my Missouri Meerschaum corncob pipe. And I'm smoking vanilla custard cream Sufflet tobacco. I think it's a Z92 brand. And as y'all know, I can't talk and smoke a pipe at the same time. I did get a little bit done this morning. Of course, there'll be a video. I don't know if it'll be before this one or after this one. It'll probably be before this one. Because I think in that video I said there's more to come. I'm fixing to light out of here and go get some gas for my truck. I need to buy one of them Powerball tickets. It's up to $1 billion again. If I had $1 billion, I'd be a billionaire. But would it make me any happier? I don't know. I was able to get a little bit of cleaning done out there in my bee yard. I'm running out of weekends here to get this all done before I have my proximal row carpectomy done. Oh, that's a mouthful on his hand. Not looking forward to it. You know, the doctor says, you know, take this out and that out, and I said, well, doc, I'm just not too up on taking bones out of my body. The mechanical portion of me says that's not good. He said, well, when there's bad parts in the engine, take them out. I said, yeah, but you replace them. No. I like my little pipe. It's very lightweight. And, you know, like I've said before, it was 14 bucks. So if I step on it, something, no big deal. My other pipes in there, you know, have a little bit more mass to them. They're a little bit heavier. It's not as easy to hold them in your teeth. And all of them have sentimental value to me, and I'd hate to damage one of them. Went over today and got my mama's furnace, the pilot light lid on it, and made sure that it was working properly. And they're hollering for next weekend. I think it's Saturday to be like 40 degrees. That's gonna be good weather out there. Hopefully it'll kill something. It won't. Hopefully it'll kill some of these dad blame Jarrow spiders. Don't like them. I think I need to design something that you got a little thing that comes up over the side here, and then you'll have a button over here, and when your pipe goes, you won't have to use this, you know, flame. There's money to be made right there. So, anyhow, just thought I'd get on here and tell all y'all howdy. I appreciate you watching my videos. And like I said, I'm real close to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get me to 1,000 subscribers. If I can get to 1,000, I'll be satisfied. It's not much. It's hard to do. I found out these YouTube videos aren't a walk in the park to make things that people are interested in. So anyway, Jeff Eubanks, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and my next video release will be on Wednesday for my Hallelujah Hump Day devotional. I encourage you to watch that as well. It's a non-denominational devotion. I don't prescribe that you have to be Baptist to listen to it. But anyway, that'll be the next video I put out. And then of course, it won't be long before I'll start my video of this mess right here. My series, that's it. So, Jeff Eubanks, down here on the farm.